Hey, what's up, Learning Machines? This is Benjamin Fairborn here, and I am a 7-figure super affiliate, and I'm here to share with you guys, how to get started with affiliate marketing for free. There is nothing better than affiliate marketing if you want to make money online, because you don't have to do any fulfillment, you don't have to create your own offers, and you can literally make racks, okay? Like, it's crazy! And literally all you have to do, you just have a link, and you promote the link, and you make a bunch of money. It's super, super simple, okay? You can get started like overnight. You just apply for like a platform called ClickBank, or you can apply for free to a platform called Amazon or any other freaking platform. And there's always new platforms out there, but if you want to find all the platforms that are out there, you can go to OfferVault. Okay, OfferVault is a search engine for affiliate offers. It's a search engine to find CPA networks to sign up for and affiliate networks to sign up for. CPA network stands for cost per action. Now, if you're a beginner and you're just trying to make sense of all this and affiliate marketing and everything, I can tell you right now, it's super duper easy. You literally just have a link. Anyone who, buys through your link, you make money, like super easy money too. Because like I said, there's no fulfillment needed on your end. All you got to do, you send traffic. Now, as a beginner, I'm going to share with you a little case study / story. When I first got started with affiliate marketing, I knew how to program and code, okay? So I would make my own landing pages coding from scratch. Now there's a site called ClickFunnels. It's the best thing ever, okay? So use that. But I would code this stuff from scratch, and I'd run Facebook ads to offers. I'm talking like lead generation offers. And I was making conversions all day, but not profitably. So I had to turn my ads off. And I thought it was over for me. And I wanted to give up. But what I did was I kept learning, and knowledge was compounding, and new strategies were forming. And so I put together way better strategies, and I eventually hit it off with quite a few campaigns in a row when I first started having success with Facebook ads. Now, I don't do Facebook ads anymore. The main platforms I'm focused on is adult marketing paid ads, YouTube in-stream ads, and then basically nothing else regarding paid ads really. And then I have huge free traffic with YouTube, okay, huge. And so that's what I focus on mainly, other than a few other things I don't really want to mention that I do on the side, because I'm doing a lot of different stuff. But the point is, guys, affiliate marketing will make you racks. And if you're a beginner, oh my gosh, you're set. If you're over 30 years old, who cares, man? It's not over for you. You're still breathing, bro. And so you can literally make racks. If you're super young and think you can't make money, you can freaking make money, bro. All you got to do, like I said, is you get a lot of traffic to an offer that converts, and that's it. And there's endless offers that are converting all the time in any niche. Doesn't matter what niche. So the best way to get started is sign up for ClickBank or Digistore, either one of those networks, and you can start promoting these offers, and you can make racks. Okay. This is my prop money right here to show you can make racks, okay? Don't have freaking prop money in your bank account, okay? Make sure to have no real money in your house. You'll get robbed, okay? So anyway, my point is to get started, there's a lot of methods, but this is the case study I want to get to. I was making landing pages from scratch. And then I decided to partner up with a business partner, and I made a huge full-blown blog from scratch. It was crazy. It was in the luxury niche, and we were promoting freaking Amazon offers, okay? Amazon products and all this stuff, making very small commissions. And by the way, we didn't make really anything. We made 12 cents. And I was doing free traffic generation methods. I was using Pinterest, Instagram, Facebook, stuff like that. And it wasn't working. And I'm assuming that the way I got my conversion on there, I'm not sure for sure, but I think it was just ranking SEO, and someone clicked on a link and went and bought something else that I wasn't even recommending, because someone buys through your link. Anything they buy on Amazon through your link, you'll get a commission for, okay? Now, I stayed away from one thing the whole time, which actually is the best free traffic source in the world, which is YouTube, okay? So if I would have done YouTube, I would have had way earlier success that would have been really, really big, and I would have been further ahead than I am now. And freaking YouTube's the way to go, okay, if you want to do affiliate marketing, okay? If you want to do affiliate marketing and you don't want to do YouTube, Instagram would be your next best bet. The next best bet would be Facebook, then Twitter, and if you want to do Pinterest, go for it. But I'm telling you right now, YouTube, biggest site in the entire world. It's where the money is. Okay, just make content, man. Make content reviewing products. Make content about products. Make content just giving value. What happens is it compounds, and you don't just make money from affiliate. You'll make money from freaking AdSense revenue as well. And so, as an affiliate marketer, that's how you can get started. Once you get that cash flow up, let's say you're a beginner already and you have cash. Then you can do paid ads, and paid ads is where the freaking money lies, bro. Like that's where the money is. I mean, so you can literally do paid traffic, tap into a current stream of traffic, and you can have it branch off to your site by paying for it. And it'll branch off to your site, and I mean, you'll get conversions all day. If it's a good paid traffic platform, you know what you're doing, you can straight up freaking get targeted traffic to your funnel, people actually interested. And I mean, you'll put $1 in, you'll make all the way back from $2 to freaking $10 back out, guys. It's freaking easy in some ways, but it's also hard in some ways. It depends on your experience level. It's kind of like riding a bike. Like if you can freaking ride a bike, then it's easier for you to keep riding a bike. Okay, it's the same thing with freaking marketing online. Okay, same freaking thing. So I hope this makes sense for you guys. And that is how you make money online with affiliate marketing. That's how you get started. To get started, just sign up, get a link, start promoting it. But the best way to promote it is, like I said, YouTube, do content around the offer and relevant to the offer. You're gonna make money. So peace out, Learn Machines. Go check out links in the description. If you really want to crush it with affiliate marketing and become a super affiliate, I have the super affiliate program linked down below. You can check that out. If you want all my programs, I have that inside the master bundle. If you want any services with me, check that out down below. I'll see you guys later. Peace out.